Jai Hind friends. ICRA is again going to be with you in this tough times of your prelims examination when you are alone facing the heat, that is stress and pressure. So ICRA is, as per the commitment of ICRA for the past 3 years, for helping UPSC aspirants dedicatedly. Again, the last step of ICRA, the UPSC Prelims 2022 Rapid Revision Batch. Rapid revision. If any aspect of your preparation is still missing, this revision batch will be very helpful to you. The features of this revision batch: course mode will be only online. Course duration 1st May 2022 to 3rd May 2022. 12 comprehensive tests. Daily 5 to 6 hours of online pre-recorded lectures. Online pre-recorded lectures. One-on-one doubt session with the course mentors on dedicated Telegram group. So this is the effort of ICRA to help you in the time of your need, and this will be the last step for your great game of civil service prelims of 2022. Faculties, as usual, history will be dealt by Dr S.K, Sumit Sir and me. Polity by Sanjay Sir. Science by K.V. Paurya Sir. Economy by S.K. Ojha Sir and Abhinav Sir. And all the renowned faculties of ICRA will be with you, and they will help you to prepare your path smoothly for this coming examination on 5th June 2022. Thank you. Jai Hind.